Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see who someone is following on Instagram, you're in the right place. Whether you're curious about your friend's interests or just want to explore new accounts, it's actually a simple process. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to check who someone is following on Instagram, all from your mobile device. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed and updated to the latest version. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're in, use the search bar at the bottom of the screen to find the profile you're interested in. You can type their username directly or scroll through your followers and following lists if you're already connected. After you've found the profile, tap on their name to open their Instagram page. Here, you'll see their profile picture, bio, and the numbers showing how many posts, followers, and accounts they follow. To see who they're following, look for the number labeled Following near the top of their profile, right under their bio and profile picture. Tap on Following, and you'll be taken to a list of all the accounts that person follows. You can scroll through this list to see everyone they're following. If you're looking for a specific account, you can use the search bar at the top of this list to quickly find a name. Keep in mind, if the person's account is set to private, and you're not following them, you won't be able to see their following list. In that case, you'll need to send them a follow request and wait for them to accept before you can view this information. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can easily see who someone is following on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.